This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. White Station area. Stunning updates within the last 5 years. Kitchen cabinets with soft close doors and drawers. Granite countertops. Tile floors. Stainless steel appliances and updated lighting. Gas cooking. Side-by-side refrigerator. New bathroom vanities. 2 primary bedrooms or the second primary bedroom can be used a bonus room. Hardwood floors throughout. Covered patio. Carport with additional parking pad. Iron gates. Storage room. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.